gonna leave. Hi everybody.
Hi.
How are you guys doing? Yeah? Well, welcome to the 20th San Francisco International Asian American Film Festival. This is kind of awkward. I have to share this mic with Tim and I'm... Okay. Breaking stuff. All right, so 20th San Francisco International Asian American Film Festival. Thank you all so much for coming out to this panel. And just a few housekeeping things. If you are holding a cell phone right now or not holding one, please turn it off or put it on vibrate. Timothy would like that. And no screaming, no yelling, no fainting, or we'd have to call the security guard, okay? And anything else that I'm missing? No? Okay. Well, first of all, I just want to thank these guys for coming out here. I mean, you guys probably already know who they are, but we're going to do a little intro. And of course, thanks so much to the organizers of the film festival for bringing us out here and putting on a panel like this so we can discuss how to change the game. And just a little bit about myself. My name is Lisa Lee, and I'm the publisher of Hyphen Magazine. How many of you guys know about Hyphen Magazine? 4. Okay, 4. That's pretty good. Okay. Guys, you should all be raising your hands. What's going on? Thank you, Bill. You get a gold star from me. For those of you that don't know, Hyphen is an Asian American publication. We cover art, pop culture, politics, and we have a killer student discount for $10. You can subscribe for a full year. And they're holding some right here. I have some of my people standing on the side that you guys are more than welcome to talk to afterwards. It's an all volunteer-run organization. If you guys are interested in getting involved in any capacity, we'd be more than happy to have you. So, enough about me. You guys are not here to see me. So let's go ahead and introduce some of our panelists. So I'm going to have them introduce themselves. We're going to show a little video clips of them, and they're going to get to talk about themselves. So the first person we're going to do is Tim, right? Okay. Timothy.
Timothy.
Freestyle while we wait.
Yo. I'll make a beat then.
While we're waiting, you guys all know what this panel is about, right? Do I need to talk about that?
I don't think just one.
Oh, okay. So basically, during this panel, we're going to be touching on a lot of issues pertaining to YouTube and YouTube stardom and this whole other world that a lot of us older folks are not familiar with. And basically, I'm going to be asking them some questions pertaining to what they do every day and behind-the-scenes stuff. And then, of course, at the end, we're going to have some time for Q&As. And let me just put it out here right now. I have some signed copies of Hyphen for really good questions. So, it's $8,000. So this will give you guys plenty of time to start thinking about some questions that you can ask. And again, know like what's your shoe size, what color of toothbrush you use, like none of that. Okay, we want good questions. All right.
What's good, my lovely YouTubers? You know, a little known fact about me, aside from the fact that I'm just the shit at everything, I'm also a bomb-ass kisser. And you know, I figured since I'm getting all these little kids hitting me up saying, hey Tim, how do I talk to girls, how do I kiss girls, this and that, I figured I'd put together a little video of some do's and don'ts. Check it out. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
I hope that was helpful to all you young kissers out there, and maybe some of you old kissers out there learned a thing or two. Above all, remember to brush your teeth, floss, brush your tongue, because if you got stank-ass, garlicky-ass, poopy-ass breath, you won't even get close enough to have that first initial conversation. So, thank you everybody for tuning in. Love, peace, skeet, and cheese.
The royal penis is clean, Your Highness.
You got it? That was awkward.
That's how you start off the show.
Right. Okay, so my name's Timothy De La Ghetto, as I'm known on YouTube. And as you can see, I do a number of things, from like little skilly skits, to like I rap and I give relationship advice and a whole potpourri of things. So yeah, that was kind of weird watching my giant face kiss in front of like panel people, whatever. But yeah, that's what I do.
Great, let's move on to Ryan. That was awesome, Tim.
Thank you.
Let's move on to Ryan.
Hi, is your child dumb like this? Apple.
Dumbass.
Well, then we make your dumb ass smart.
What am I? Say it. Say it out loud.
A mermaid.
You're probably wondering, what is Carl's Jr.'s new portobello mushroom burger? Well, to sum it up in a few words, it's a huge, juicy, delicious, round, jaw-dropping, door-stopping, table-sliding, people-waiting, face-powdering, armpit-wiping, notebook-writing, car-cleaning, sexy-looking, sensor-covering portobello mushroom-covered burger.
I am someone.
Okay, that's not the point.
I want to play a game.
A game? What kind of game?
It is a game about whether you live or die. Because for the past 10 years...
Is it a board game?
Uh...
I love Monopoly. Just putting it out there. You want to see me climb this tree?
Can I come with you?
No, you're too fat. I gotta go see that movie.
Lesson 4. A true gangster always breaks the rules.
Hi, my name is Ryan Higa. Migi Higa on YouTube, and I also do skilly skits. More? Oh. And yeah, it's pretty awkward watching yourself. I like to do spoof